Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Kapording ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du boarding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Kaseng Congress hakawat kabaar kala Khlei sa Shisian ikimat jingkular election man pinyo Jingsumar A shikipat ba nong song jong ka jala lada ka parti kan yo bat ya ulakam sinshar hakani ka jala hadin ka election. Haka jingkran bagla pathai kubor haka khandrew trik urumpang arhajar arpulai ka media coordinator jong ka All India Congress Committee ka Bobita Sharma bat ka president jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ka kong Joblin Scott Shilla kilayathu ba ka Seng Congress kala bu thong ban yarap yakikinthei haka Seng kam sengjam ban ajing yarap pisa ka ba lai hajar tingka shibanai sha kilong kmi kala sha eno khunrei ki ba wan na kilong yeng ki ba hap hapo ulan ka jingdung ban pension school a yakikna kanthei nado ka class kg hadu ka class 12 barki wake we de kimat jingkular.
We are also very proud of the fact that Meghalaya is a matrilineal society where women have a very strong role and position. Women of Meghalaya are hardworking, efficient, they are known for that. Yet it is observed that there is still more to do for the women of Meghalaya. There is still more to do for their empowerment, to make them self-reliant, to make them financially and economically empowered. And Congress Party is sensitive to this. As you have already noticed in our manifesto, we have commitments towards making women more economically independent and self-reliant. For this, we have the initiatives, as you know, in our 5-star Meghalaya commitments. We are committed to giving an monthly income of 3,000 to single women, single mothers below poverty line. We are also committed to undertake special entrepreneurship training programs for women to make them self-sufficient and financially independent. We are also committed to providing free health care for all our citizens. Women health care, children health care is a big issue in Meghalaya. So we are taking steps to provide free health care, and we will soon unveil our free health care scheme. We are also committed to provide free education to girls from KG to 12th standard, and this will go a long way in fulfilling the aspirations of the girl child, and especially in a matrilineal society that is very important. As you know that there have been very many complaints of power cuts, and students especially cannot study because of the frequent power cuts, and this affects every household, every woman, every child, and that is why the Congress will provide 200 units of free power to each household. As you are also aware that price rise has impacted the people of not only of Meghalaya, all over India, and there is a clamor that it's very difficult for women to make ends meet in this price rise situation. High price rise in every way. We have to make ends meet, we have to economize, to fulfill the needs of our children. So in this background, the Congress Party is committing to provide free LPG quarterly to each household, and I think it will be a great help to the women of the household as well. We are also aware that women of Meghalaya are very well skilled in handloom and handicrafts, and there was a great need for a special women market, and we will provide a special women market, exclusive women market with proudly made in Meghalaya with the tagline to promote especially women who are skilled in the handicrafts, in weaving, in all that is, part of the culture of Meghalaya. We have also seen that security is a big issue. Security of women is a big issue in Meghalaya, and for this purpose, the Congress Party is committed to have a urban police force and to have reservations for women in the police force. So these are some of the main thrust points of the Congress Party for women in Meghalaya.